How you doing, everybody? I got the 359 that I just ported here. I'm gonna fire it and take some of the first test cuts with it, and we'll see how it does. say I'm pretty happy with that. It pulls really hard, harder than I expected, and it seems to wind up pretty good, pretty responsive. It might be just a touch on the rich side, but this is big wood, and when I got the whole bar in it, it seems to lean up nice, and that 4-stroke when I come out of the cut. So I think I got it dialed in pretty good for this stuff right here. This is hard maple, and yeah, I'm happy with it. I didn't touch the rakers at all, and I think they're a little bit uneven right on a brand new chain because it does have some bounce to it. But other than that, I'm really happy with it. I think it turned out good, and maybe the next thing will be a pipe. Thanks for watching.